Hello guys, Squarespace review in 2025 still the most stylish website builder. If you know anything from other Squarespace review, it's probably that Squarespace is crowned as the most stylish builder and you know what. Totally agree, most of the 100% template offer are modern, colorful and well optimized. You do not need to take my word for it. Squarespace website design or template consistently win web award. This list of winning design is quite impressive. So if you are all about style, use my discount deal below or the QR code in the on the screen to get the best deal. Of course, you cannot call yourself the best website builder these days without AI implementation, and I am going to be frank with you. Squarespace AI is very it is sort of non-accents is the designing part. Like sure, it can add certain section to a website and choose from a few options, but this is very limited and not really creating anything new there. An AI written that can fill your site with relative text and that it for AI, yeah, no more tool or implementation. It is kind of disappointing when smaller provider like Hostinger have full on AI template generator as well as a free AI tool. Editing Squarespace design. Doing a Squarespace review in 2024, it's important to note that we covered its large big update card refresh and there seemed to improvement from last time, specifically in the wall platform speed editing and sometimes could have felt slow, but now it's way better. I just love the Sketchpad editor. It's so minimalistic that I can sometimes even forget that I am editing a website compared to it. Something like Wix, which just throw everything at you, feel overwhelming. Pairing this with smooth drag and drop control and nice selection of a different element, I can confidently recommend this Squarespace for beginners. To help with you out, Squarespace has a grid that can help you design and it show you exactly when the element you are dragging is in the middle of the page. I also like that Squarespace including more unique element than just text or image. You get SoundCloud player donation and even Amazon integrated Squarespace pricing and e-commerce. So how much will this cost you? Squarespace is a premier builder with a 14-day trial. You can create as many test sites as you need but cannot publish them. Overall, the pricing is okay, slightly overpriced if you are not looking to run a business website, but each plan comes with a free domain name for a year and allow you to self if you want to sell physical product, go for the businesses plan. However, I really like that Squarespace does not tax you go much for monthly subscription, so it's valuable option if you do not like preparing for things. But no matter what, don't forget to use discount. You can find the newest one in the description. Another aspect of the Squarespace website builder that I like is the simplicity of the managing my and marketing tool. Is Squarespace good for e-commerce? Yeah, maybe not for a complex or a large store, but you can easily create email campaign, manage inventory or create promotional material. But do not that most useful e-commerce feature will be locked under the higher type plan. How fast are Squarespace website? Last but not least, we should cover our performance. Google and almighty panoply on search engine recommended loading with 2.5 seconds for the best search result optimization. If your website loads slowly, Google can just put it down in search result. Running a newly built website through page speed inside a free tool from Google. Squarespace managed to be just on that 2.5-second line. I also wanted to test a few websites that Squarespace sites sell advertises and they said they are very similar and hovering around the 2.4 to 2.8 second mark. Is this a bad performance? Not really, but it could be better as a provider like Hostinger website builder can load a website in around 1 second. So finger crossed that Squarespace will invest in some newer tech in the near future.